and salutations and welcome to another Inventor video. In today's video we're going to be continuing on with the toolbar. And so last one we started with primitives, extrude, and went all the way down to coil. But now focus on the second half, which is going to be emboss, derive, rib, decal and import. So let's get started. So if we start with emboss, we're actually going to need to start with the surface really to work with. So let's just go, I don't know, 50 by 50, and then we'll just extrude it. Pretty bog standard. Now with emboss, you need a surface, but you also need a sketch. Also, text is generally its intended function. So let's just say I just do, I don't know, let's just do the channel name, CAD Insight. If I can actually spell it right. Okay. And there you go. Oh, really? I should rotate it round 90 degrees and click OK. As it says, I've got to put it in this corner. Click Finish Sketch, and I click Emboss. There's our profile. And let's say we want to actually bring it up, then you just make sure the arrow is pointing up, and then you just set how high you want to go and click OK. And it brings it up. Now if I just back into it and go emboss and then go down, I should just make sure I set the undercut, and let's say I'm going to put in, I don't know, make it to a bit deeper this time, and it will cut into it. And you can apply this along a plane, it's the same principle, so you can have it going up and down, but that's emboss. The next feature we're coming to is derive. Now derive's a bit special in that it essentially allows you to bring in pre-existing parts, assemblies, sub-assemblies all into a new part. So let's say you make spanners for people. Click OK. You just make spanners. Now if I actually just get rid of solid body one. Oh, we'll just make it disappear for now. Let's say you just make spanners, and let's see it's got stamp loads of different names on. Well then you can just have the same spanner, but then just make a text, and then just, I don't know, just put Inventor. Click OK, finish sketch. Let's say you just want to emboss it into there. And there you go. Technically it should be reversed, but same difference. And that's essentially derive. You basically use that, and this will also dynamically update as you change the original part model. Rib, we move into it, is a little bit more different. Let's just start by making an L shape, because ribs generally need to go in, but need to go between. So yeah, it's got perpendicular or an angle between it. So let's just do 50 by 10. And I'm just going to do another one. 10 by 50. Okay, finish sketch, and we'll just extrude. And okay, it's pretty beefy, so let's make it 200. And Bob's your uncle. Job done. There you are, got an L plate there. Now for rib, pretty simple. Just grab that, slide a plane in where you want it, click select, and let's just say you just want to put a rib there, and a rib there. Click OK, finish sketch, rib, and then just select make it parallel to your plane. You can also do it in other ways, but for the focus of it, and as a beginner, most of the time it would be like this. And you can also just switch it. And you can also just make it so it's purely just a brace, or you can also set it so it's full. And that's a rib. Decals, on the other hand, they're more designed for when you want to have cylinders, or you just want to apply a picture to it. So let's just start with just going to start with a primitive cylinder. And we're just going to make this 100. And let's just extrude, I don't know, 200. Make it big cylinder. Now then, to actually do a decal, you're also going to use a plane. Preferably you're going to want it, I like it for my sake, just to bring it out there, and then we're just going to start. Yeah, now you just going to select an image. Oh no, I've got this Phoenix. Click OK. Now it's a little bit big, so I'm just going to show you what else you can do. You can then just use the scale command. And let's just say we're going to make it 1 over, let's do 1 over 20. Nah, that's a bit small. Let's do 1 over 10. So there's our tiny little bird. And then we're just going to rotate it. And it's going to select a center point. And we're just going to rotate it 270. So there we go. The Phoenix, we're going to just drag it. And so let's say we want to just apply it to the cylinder. Decal. Face that. Click OK. There's now, once I make that plane disappear, you can see it's now just basically stuck it onto that cylinder. You could do it on a flat surfaces, but it's pretty much best used on curved surfaces, as you see it perfectly round. And last but not least for this video, we're going to be going into import. Import, not super special, but it's more just used when you have STL or like non-inventor files, just neutral files like STL steps and stuff. So I just have a snowflake here, and that's just brought it in. I do actually have it in Inventor, but you see, it just brings it in. See if I just want to select another part, import, snowflake, there you go. As you can see, it's not very like Inventor looking, because obviously it's a STL file, so it's neutral, obviously. That's pretty much everything in this section. Next video will be on hole, fillet, chamfer, shell, draft, maybe thread, see how far we get within the time. Thank you for listening, I'll see you in the next episode.